How to add music to Instagram Notes. So the first thing to do is to make sure that your Instagram application is up to date. Since this is a feature added on the new update, make sure that you have the latest version available. So go ahead and open your App Store, type in Instagram in the search bar, and make sure that this blue button says open. If it says update, then it means that there's an update available. So go ahead and update your application first. After making sure that you have the latest version of the app, go open the Instagram application. Once you're in the home page, click on the message icon in the upper right corner of the screen to access the Notes feature. Once you're in this page, you will see your icon with a plus icon. So click on that, and here, as you can see, there is no music icon available. The icon should be available in this part of the screen, but unfortunately, I still don't have it. If your screen also looks like this, don't worry, as the reason for this is because it is a feature that Instagram released in a rollout, meaning its availability will be released by batch and it will be released randomly. So just wait for updates until it became available to your device, and once it's available on your end, your notes should look like this. So you will simply tap on the music icon. These music options will then show on your screen, and then you can either search for songs or just browse through what's available in here. After that, it will be displayed like this on your notes. So that is how to add music to Instagram Notes. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.